We're going to Toggy.
What are we going to buy?
Toggy. Yeah, we wasted all our money on Dollar Tree. We almost spent $100 on Dollar Tree. Wasted on Dollar Tree.
Yeah, look at the pink one.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby.
What is it?
Stockings and light bulb.
This is not a vlog.
Stockings for lifetime.
We
For
almost
the remembrance. Okay, let us see what they want.
That's more. The Target dog, who's gonna be always in every ad.
Oh yeah.
Target dog.
We're looking for stockings only. Do-do-do-do.
And look, Papa, 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 Papa. There's a Papa.
You were born on December 25th. You literally like.
Uy, why shall look? Oh, where are they now? Shoot, we lost them. Oh, right here.
Ball. Area.
Oh. Jasper.
Stockings that last forever.
I like that one. I like it how it's furry.
Okay.
But this one more. Oh, this feels like Jasper.
How is this?
We like this. Look, it feels like Jasper.
It's better the white thing.
But it feels like Jasper. But also, what happens if it gets dirty?
Up to
Look,
you.
feel it, feel it,
What's better that? Yeah,
feel it,
try
Marishan.
that.
Look, feel it. Feel like Jasper.
Alright.
Yeah, but what happens if you get messy? The white.
It's only once in a year to put it, and then we will put it in the back so that it's not gonna be dirty.
Marishan, look. Look, Marishan.
What is that? Microphone?
Hi guys, this is Irish and USA. Tito Tato Day.
Oh my god! It's recorded!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Make sure to like and subscribe to Irish and USA.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I like that! Oh.
My turn.
Don't forget to
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Irish and USA and Unicorns Live to 3.
And it's Levi.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Irish and USA and Unicorns Live to 3.
Like, okay, you want to hear to the radio?
Oh yeah, please.
Look at Dad.
Yo.
How I wish we can get it.
Oh wait, we're in the USA. So check out.
Stocking reminds me of you. Oh yeah, thank you, Sissy. He's sniffing all over the place.
Go get
Yes,
the
you want
change
to
now.
see?
Go get it.
This is my stocking.
Okay.
Mine's a fox.
Change your... That is your stockings forever, okay? For
This is
remember.
mine. I had this. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, I have my name.
That is remembrance forever. So you can take that when your eviction. Eviction day.
You have to get kicked out.
Kick out to the house. Oh, so you can take that.
So when we're moving out.
Yeah. Alright.
Ours is bigger than theirs. Good. I was
Arrange Kaila's. Arrange Kaila's socks. Stocking socks. Here. It's perfect. Be careful. Thank you very much.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.